Actually, here now, if I had to look at it, see, you've taken a very, what do you say? It was a rather logical way of looking at things when you actually decided to sleep over your ideas. Do you really see that happening with trainers? Because today, many trainers, uh, we leave our jobs in the hope that yes, we are going to make a difference. All right, and I'm sure many of us do that.
Correct.
Let's leave our job. It's not really fulfilling. Let me go make a difference to the world. And then when you leave, and then you sit down. Okay, now what do I do? Because many people are lost the moment they step out of the corporate. They don't know now what. Where do we go? So just the way you've taken this one step of sitting, thinking, and sleeping over the ideas. I mean, do you see any another approach that you feel that yes, this can also work out for trainers?
See, honestly, I'll tell you, going back to the statement that you said that, trainers would like to add, make a difference to the other person's life. Honestly, I don't think so. I do that. I don't have the intention also. When I go for a session, I tell them that, I'm going to present my thoughts. Agar aapko kuch acha laga to good, fair enough, because my intention is to improve myself first. Therefore, I don't like the term trainer only. Am I, a perfect guy? I'm not. I've got so many vices. I'm imperfect myself. So let me improve myself. But I share my thoughts. I share my original thoughts. I share my interpretation of the books that I've read. And somehow if they feel good, relate to it, and then it's fair enough. So I will never ever go with the intention कि मेरे को आज इसकी life में कुछ changes लाने. मैं कौन हूँ भाई? मैं अपनी लाइफ में ले लो तो बहुत बड़ी बात है. So my mindset is totally different. So I will never impose my thoughts on them. In fact, I'll tell you my one of my line that I always use in a session is, I always say in the session that every story, every incident has got three truths. It's mentioned in Shiv Puran. It has got three truths: your truth, my truth, real truth. No one speaks the real truth. Everyone speaks the truth that they believe is the truth. But important is learning. Okay. अब इसमें एक बार मैं आपको, why did I say that line? Now I was taking a session on Bhagavad Gita. Okay. And there was a massive crowd. I think like 450, 500 people were there. And then one of the head who hired me, and I was explaining one point. And after my explanation got over, he told me, Rishi, I think this point could actually mean this also. I said, I agree, sir. He's like, sorry? I said, I totally agree with you. He said, but you just explained. No, sir, I told you earlier, my truth, your truth, real truth. Important is learning. You learn. Now that is more important. You learn from me or you learn from yourself. That's insignificant. So my intention is you learn. Now you can learn from yourself also, So my thought was different. Second, yes, I see a couple of trainers who do that. But but it will be a very small percentage because a lot of time अब होता क्या ना, honestly ऐसा इंडस्ट्री में मैंने एक लाइन सुनी थी, जिसको कुछ नहीं आता वो ट्रेनर बन जाता है, कि हम सब की दुनिया को सुधारने चले, हम सब करने लगे. So but I think you should spend time with yourself first. You should genuinely know yourself. Hello. Yeah. So I think you should spend time with yourself. A lot of trainers want to earn money. Even I want to earn money. I don't say that, but money आएगा, पहले आप खुद तो समझ लो. And once you are in that zone, once you're in that, I feel, like there's so many trainers I've learned from. Let's say Shyam Iyer, I've learned a lot, or Arun sir, I have learned a lot, or Yatin also have learned. There are so many trainers I've learned, but I never saw them that they're forcing that I want to make an impact in your life. They're sharing their thoughts. बाजू वाले को जो अच्छा लगा लेके चला गया. So I think I was groomed by a couple of good trainers, at my start. So I think trainers should do that. They should not get into the argument mode, because मेरे साथ भी कई trainers करते हैं, कि ऐसा करने चाहिए तो जो करना है, because it's to each its own. But you should be in that zone of understanding yourself first. Spend time over there.
I'm sure there is a lot that you have learned through this video. In case you are a learning and development professional or a learner, don't forget to subscribe to our channel Learners Conclave and click the bell icon to be the first to know of new videos.